How do you score great deals? Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Timing. Been working on the lawnmower and I needed some carburetor cleaner. I thought, well, I'll go down to Tractor Supply. They've got it inexpensive and I can get some parts cleaner and I can get some other things and I'll take a look around. While I was there, I stopped and looked at the discount aisle. They used to have a discount center in the middle of the store. Now, the other stores may still have it, but ours on Gull Road doesn't. Ours on Gull Road now has them tucked back in the back. There's just one shelf with a bunch of stuff piled on it and tags on it. I went back and looked and I noticed that they had a clamp. It was marked $7.49 on this side. On this side it was marked $10.99. Now that's a red flag for me. You always want to ask, did somebody just mismark this thing? So I picked it up along with my carburetor cleaner and a can of paint and went up to the checkout and said, this is marked $7.49 on one side and $10.99 on the other. Could you scan it for me? So she scanned it and she said it's $3.99. I said, really? She said, yeah. Well, I went back and got the other three off the shelf. So now I have 4 of them, 16 bucks. 4 clamps. Really nice clamps. Now, these are knockoff clamps. They're not the world beater greatest clamps in the world, but this basic design is tough. I mean, you can crank right down on it and it won't bend. We use these in welding a lot. Nice thing about it, it's got a little button on the end so that the head can't come off the thing. Look how much opening it's got. Lets you take it on down to nothing. Great. 4 bucks, $3.99. 18-inch F-bar welding clamp. We used to use these at Demmer. Ours were copper plated instead of chrome, but these are really nice. Very happy with the deal I got. Oh, I also asked on the cleaner. The cleaner was marked $5.99. I got it for $3.45. You want to look and ask. Sometimes there's deals that you don't even notice. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.